Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So right now we are still in the process of doing the caramel sauce, which is still in here, and I will be in here for another couple of hours, and I will show you guys that as soon as it's done. One more thing I wanted to tell you before I show you what I have here is the Pirates of the Caribbean from video from Disneyland has been updated with a word of the day, and it's a fun word of the day. Look in the description box for instructions. We did it this way, or I did it this way, because my husband just cracked up at the way I was saying stuff in that video and thought it would be fun to do a word of the day this way. So go back to that video if you've already watched it, read the description box, and then just follow the instructions. I think you guys are going to have fun with this and laugh along with us. And again, walking off that ride was a good thing, you guys. So any Disney fan, anybody who goes to Disneyland all the time knows that a walk off is like a really cool thing. So I know a lot of you guys were saying how sorry you were that I had to walk off. Well, don't be sorry, because we really looked forward to that on the rides, except the big roller coasters. We don't really want to walk off of those, and they do get stuck. But walking off Pirates was really fun. So yeah, go back and watch that video and make sure you do the word of the day. It's going to have a big prize for that one video that I will be giving away probably right after the holidays, right after Christmas. So I'm really looking forward to that, and I think you guys are going to kick out of it. So what we're seeing right here is some things that I got up in Oregon, and I just wanted to share with you guys because it's been sitting here. You guys know I haven't been feeling my best, and just wanted to show you. I've been trying to get this video out for a while, but just wanted to show you guys what I got. So one of my prized things I got was a Kerr home canning and freezing book. Look at the price, you guys. That says $1. Don't you wish we could just get a canning book for $1? And it's really cool. And if anybody wants recipes in this, I think I might be able to copy them and then send them to you. I'm trying to find the date on here. I know I saw it. Let's see. Let me look for the date real quick. Okay, so I just looked over it. I know I saw the date was from the 70s for something, and 70 something, and I cannot find the date right now. But it's a really, really cool and interesting canning book. And it even has the water bath times for the old processing for like meats and vegetables for water bathing, which I know a lot of people in different countries still do today. So I am going to be going over this for my beginning canning series because there's a lot of good stuff in here. Some things are outdated, but there's some really, really good good instructions, like for bacteria. It goes over things for bacteria and enzymes, how the caps seal, spoilage, molds and yeasts, botulism, examining canned foods before using, how much it'll yield you. It's pretty cool. So it shows you meats, pressure canning, boiling water bath, and even an open kettle method. So yeah, this is really cool. The steps of canning. If anybody wants a photocopy of some of this stuff, I will gladly give it to you. These are boiling water bath times, and then pressure canning times, pickle times, altitude chart. It's really, really good. It goes into depth, more depth than today's do. So I thought that was really cool to get. And then I found some really cool jars. This is a Kerr economy jar, which I don't have, and I do collect old jars. So if anybody has any old jars that you don't want anymore, you can send them my way. My P.O. box, just send them on over. Just let me know that they're coming, and yeah, I would love the old jars. They are so cool. This is one of my old ball jars. And I still use this. I don't use it for canning, but I do use it for dehydrated food, and I have it out right now to do some put some dehydrated food in there. This one it says lamb and then mason. I've never seen this one, and this one's kind of yellowed, so I know it's got to be 60s, I'm thinking. Yeah, I've never seen this one. Have any of you guys ever seen this jar? Let me know. So this jar has not really a screw top on it. So this, I'm thinking, had a glass lid on it, kind of like this Weck jar does. That's what I'm thinking, because it really doesn't have the threads to screw on. But that's the only one I have like that. Then I found these old jelly jars, which I have a few of these out in the garage, but I don't have a lot of lids. And this lid is in really excellent condition. I really like this. I mean, it looks brand new. I don't think it's ever used. So these jars, here's another one. That lid needs to be cleaned up. This is a ball lid, and I believe these are, yeah, I think these are all ball. These are just different errors. And then this is a Cur, and it says Cur Jelly Glass on it. And you'll see that it doesn't have any threads. None of these have threads. So the reason is because these are old jelly jars, and when they used these, they sealed them with paraffin wax. So what I'm going to be using these for is making yogurt in my Instapot. I think they're the perfect size. And I have, like I said, 4 of these, and I know I have some more out in the garage in some boxes. So these are just really cool. I love the old jars, you guys. And then last but not least, I got this. Isn't this adorable? I tried to get more because I really wanted to give some away. This was the last one that they had. My sister got me this up in Oregon when I was there. It's a tiny, tiny little water bath canner. That is also, it's a blackberry jam and allspice candle. And it smells amazing. I have not lit it yet, but I plan to really soon. But I just loved this jar. If I find any more out here, or if I can get her to look, I know she's looking for me still, but if she finds any more, I will get a couple of these, and I would love to give these away. This is just adorable, just adorable. So there you have it. I do have this plate sitting here too. One of my favorite dishes is Lenox china, which is really not expensive anymore. This is one of the newer ones, and it's like a sharing plate, and it says, "May your day be filled with sunshine that warms you from the start. May every moment bring peace and cheer to your heart. May every moment celebrate the joys you're fondest of, and know that every day you're thought about with love." I just thought this was really cute to get, to maybe put some goodies on and to give it away. So there you have it. Just wanted to share some of these things and tell you guys about that Pirates of the Caribbean video. Please go back and watch it. So the word of the day on this video is going to be old canning jars. So tell me, do you guys collect old canning jars? Do you guys have any of these? What is your oldest canning jar that you have? I have some of the old tin, what are they? The old tin lids that have, oh gosh, they're tin lids, and then I have some glass lids, kind of like the Weck jar. This is a newer one, but, and then with the rubber seals on them like that, that definitely don't have rubber seals anymore. But let me know what you guys have, and what do you still use yours? I know this one right here, oops, this one right here I have used for many, many years, but I'm afraid of it breaking in the water bath, or especially the pressure canner, so I just don't use it anymore except for dry goods. And it's nice and thick, and it probably wouldn't break, but I have lost a couple of my older ones that that I like to keep, so I don't use them for canning anymore, just for dehydrating freeze-dried foods, stuff like that. So let me know what you guys have, and if you have any of these old canning books like this. This is so cool. I'm going to keep my eyes out for this and look for some more. I think this is just so cool. So yeah, price $1. Wow. A couple of the ball books that I gave away in my last drawing, um, I think I only paid $10 for them, and they're like double and triple price right now. I guess nobody can get them. I'm not quite sure, but that's a lot for a ball book. So I'm glad I had the opportunity to get those for a little less money and was able to give them away. So I will see you guys soon. Don't forget, the caramel video is coming, the results video, and we're also going to be doing some brown butter cookies. If you've never had them, you have to try this recipe. They are the most delicious cookies that I make. They're amazing. I usually make them right after Thanksgiving and sell them locally, and this year did not do that. Um, they're that good, and I always run out. I always have a lot of orders and always run out. And yeah, I sell them all the way through Christmas, usually Christmas Eve. So this year I did not do that. But tell me if you guys like the cookies that we're gonna do. What cookies are you guys making to maybe give away in gift packages this year? And don't forget, old canning jars as the word of the day for this video. And don't forget to go back to that Pirates video because it'll be a lot of fun, I promise, and worth it. So I will see you guys later. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching, you guys. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. In order to win my giveaways, you do need to be subscribed. Please like this video and comment below. It does help my algorithm for YouTube and to help promote my videos out there so more people can watch and we get boosted a little bit. So that's what we want, right? And don't forget, the Creative Canners membership is now available. We are going to be doing a lot of stuff with that, you guys, starting in January. Lots and lots of cool stuff. Live streams, you'll get a text number, and exclusive chats, exclusive giveaways, and lots of member benefits, promise. Going to be mailing out some stuff too. So don't forget to check that out and become one of my Creative Canner members. I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, guys.